Son, can you come to the kitchen? I need some help.
Yes, Mom. What are you cooking today?
I am making chicken curry and soup for lunch.
That smells good. What can I do for you?
Please open the fridge and get 3 tomatoes.
Okay, I see the tomatoes. Here they are.
Thank you. We also need some onions.
How many onions do you need, Mom?
Just 2 big onions, please.
Here are 2 onions. Anything else from the fridge?
No, that is all. Now, please wash the vegetables.
Sure, I will wash them with clean water.
Be careful with the water. Don't make the floor wet.
Okay, Mom. I am washing them now.
Good job. Put them on the big plate.
Done. Should I chop the tomatoes now?
No, don't use the knife. It is very sharp.
Okay, I don't want to cut my finger.
Yes, I will cut them. You can help with the dining table.
What should I put on the dining table?
Put 4 plates and 4 spoons on the table.
Okay, are we for people today?
Yes, your dad and sister will come home soon.
Great. Should I get glasses for water too?
Yes, please get 4 glasses from the cabinet.
I have set the table, Mom. Everything is ready.
Thank you, son. You are a great helper.
Is the food ready now? I am hungry.
Almost ready. Give me 5 more minutes.
Okay, I will fill the water pitcher now.
Good idea. We need cold water today.
I will take the ice from the fridge too.
Perfect. The chicken curry is finished now.
It smells really delicious, Mom.
Can you take this soup bowl to the table?
Sure, I will carry it very carefully.
Thanks. Don't touch the hot side.
I am using a cloth to hold it.
Smart boy. Now go wash your hands with soap.
Okay, I am washing my hands right now.
I hear your dad's car. They are here.
Nice. I will open the door for them.
Tell them that lunch is ready on the table.
Okay, Mom, Dad, lunch is ready.
Everyone, please sit down and enjoy the meal.
The chicken is soft and tasty, Mom.
I am happy you like it, my son.
I can help you in the kitchen every day.
That is very sweet of you.
Thank you for the delicious lunch, Mom.
Son, I just stepped into your room, and it looks terrible.
What is wrong, Mom? I am sitting here.
Clothes and books are messy, all over the floor.
By the way, Mom, what does the word messy mean?
Messy means untidy, dirty, or not organized.
Oh, I see. Yes, Mom, it is a bit messy right now. I was about to clean it in a moment.
You are wasting time within a moment. Go clean it up right now.
Okay, Mom, what should I organize first?
Fold your clothes and put them in the closet.
Mom, what does closet mean?
A closet is a large cabinet or wardrobe where you hang and keep your clothes.
Got it. So I will put all my t-shirts in the closet.
Yes, and keep your books neatly on the desk.
Okay, Mom, should I fold the blanket on the bed too?
Yes, fold it neatly. A clean room makes you feel good.
All right, Mom, I'll finish cleaning in 10 minutes.
Good, but don't rush. Make sure you do a proper job.
I will. Mom, should I sweep the floor too?
Yes, sweep the floor after you pick up all the dust.
Excuse me, Mom, what does dust mean?
Dust means tiny dry particles of dirt on furniture or the floor.
Oh, okay. There's a lot of dust under the bed.
That is why you need to clean under the bed as well.
I will use the broom to sweep it all out.
Excellent! Don't forget to wipe the dust off your desk.
Mom, what does wipe mean?
Wipe means to clean something by rubbing it with a cloth.
I understand. I'll get a wet cloth to wipe the surface.
Very good. Where are your dirty socks?
They are on the floor next to the chair.
Put them straight into the laundry basket.
Mom, what does laundry mean?
Laundry means clothes that need to be washed or are being washed.
Okay. I am putting the dirty socks in the laundry basket now.
Great. What about your school bags?
It is lying near the door.
Hang it on the hook behind the door.
Okay. I am hanging the bag on the hook right now.
Look, your bed sheet is pulled off too.
I will stretch it out and fix the bed.
Good boy. Now the room is starting to look much better.
Yes, it looks much bigger and brighter now.
See, a clean room helps you study better too.
You are right, Mom. I feel much more comfortable now.
I am glad to hear that. Are you almost done?
Yes, I just need to empty the trash bin.
Take the trash bag to the big bin outside.
I will do that right now. Mom, everything is clean.
Thank you, son. You did a fantastic job today.